We all know that a business can be profitable on paper but still struggle if cash is tied up in accounts receivable or inventory. To understand your true operational health, you need a clear view of your physical money moving in and out, your cash flow. Instead of digging through manual statement balances every single day, you can build a live visual graph directly on your dashboard. Today, I'm going to show you how to design and add a dedicated cash flow chart straight to your Performance Center interface. Let's jump right in. To find your visual tracking workspace, look over at your left-hand navigation bar and click directly on the main Reports menu. From there, head straight into your Custom Reports tab at the top, scroll down through your available modules, and select Performance Center to pull up your Graphics Hub. Once your Visualization Hub loads, head over to the top right header area of the grid and click the green Add Chart button. This initializes our configuration wizard where we can select our core KPI target from scratch. QuickBooks gives you a complete library of data source templates to choose from, like expenses, revenue, and net profit. Because we want to track our liquid money patterns today, go ahead and select the cash flow card layout, click to highlight it, and hit Continue. Now you're inside your design workstation. Right at the top, you can select your visual layout style, toggling between crisp vertical bars to see distinct monthly cash positions, or a smooth, continuous trend line to watch your rolling money cycle update instantly. Over on the left-hand pane under the Customize section, let's lock in our formatting fields. Click into the name box and give your chart a clean title, like Cash Flow Monitor. Right below that, use the Time Period dropdown to select your timeline tracking baseline. We'll set ours to this year to date. Once your layout filters look exactly the way you want them, slide down to the bottom right corner of the screen and click the bright green Add to Dashboard button. The customization panel snaps shut, and your beautiful new Live Updating Cash Flow widget is officially pinned onto your main cockpit. Now you can check your real-time liquidity and cash trends every single time you open up your books without running manual spreadsheets. If this quick charting setup guide simplified your visual dashboard layout today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.